Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amapenzo to TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Durban City 0. I'm joined by the best analyst.
Hola Sibo.
Yes sir.
Aya ndokhulumayo bafethu, the best analyst ukonke bafethu. Mesibheka iKaizer Chiefs bafethu ne. iKaizer Chiefs medlala neDurban City. iKaizer Chiefs medlala neDurban City bafethu. Straight into the game bafethu, singa waste isikhathi ne. iDurban City tactically they were on point in terms of defense. We were defender nge 4-3. 4-2-3. Yangithola. 2 in the middle, 3 phambili, 4 emove. But the 4-3 team inokuchange. Kube 5 emove, kube 5 emove, kube le 2 lela phakathi. Yangithola. The reason they were doing that, they were trying to overload in terms of defense. That is why every time abantu bathola ama chance, they were getting chances to get into the box, but bengangeni direct into the box. Bafika ngama side, bakwazi bacover first half. Yangithola. So what they did second half is that bakipa upoken pool. Bakipa upoken pool, bakipa and one of their players to add more creativity iDurban City. Yaletha uDomingo, yaletha uNotata for creativity. Another thing Sibo ukuthi igoal laga Lilepo is from a red zone. It was the only goal abakwazi ukushaya iKaizer Chiefs laze lafika goalkeeper from the red zone, because every time iKaizer Chiefs maqali ingena kwi half yeDurban City, they were pushing them to the side and not allowing them to take a shot from the red zone. So i red zone ile zone le esikhuluma ngayo ukuthi very important right on top of the 18 area. That's where you get the goal. That's where igoal laga Lilepo is. So every time iKaizer Chiefs menza ama transition, umuntu makawina ibhola on a transition weKaizer Chiefs mengatholi support. That is why first half bengakwazi uconvert most of the chances. So ibamba lapho sinikeza abanye chance.
Thank you njayama. Thank you my leader.